Hey, this is John, CEO of Ecopy.app, and let me quickly show you what our AI page builder can do. As you probably know, you can import products from AliExpress, Amazon, or another Shopify store, or simply pick a product that's already in your store. In this example, I'll use an AliExpress product. I just copy and paste the link and click the Choose button here. We then scrape all the product images and product information and feed the AI with that data. From here, you can drag and drop product images and you can pick a product angle if you want to focus on a specific problem or selling point. You can also choose the language you want to use. We offer 6 different layouts, each designed for a specific type of product with different sections and structures. So, we highly recommend using one of the layouts we provide. In this case, I'll go with General. You can also edit the variants, change them, add new ones, or remove them. You can set bulk pricing here, add SKUs if you don't have any, and then click Create Product Page. In just 30 seconds, you'll get this beautiful, ready-to-use landing page, and it works with all Shopify themes. You're not locked into hours. You can also edit any section on the page because everything is fully editable. Now it's time to click Publish Page and then View Product Page. And this is what our AI page builder created in just 30 seconds. The best part? It works with any Shopify theme, so you're free to keep using your own and start designing product pages right away. So go ahead, try eCopy for free and let us know how it goes. See you inside.